Oh my gosh, seriously, stop spending hours scrolling through hours of raw footage looking for the good parts. Forget the endless wrestling with complex editing timelines and the daily stress of trying to post consistently. Basically, it is time to officially forget the old, painful way of doing content creation. Have you ever heard of a platform called Vizard? You really need to try Vizard because it is the solution you have been looking for. That short, punchy UGC-style clip you just heard at the beginning, it was totally real. I am bringing this up because everything I am about to show you centers around one core secret. We are talking about turning long-form videos into massive amounts of buzzworthy, short-form clips. It is about putting a product in someone's hand and making the whole thing feel completely natural. And it is about getting a steady stream of posts going without ever burning yourself out. The secret sauce is combining creative tools you already love, like 11 Labs or AI image generators, with Vizard. See, when creators talk about repurposing long content, they usually mean one of two exhausting things. Either you manually cut every single highlight yourself, which is a total nightmare, or you hand it off to an editor. Vizard sits right in the middle of that workflow and does all the heavy lifting for you. It automatically finds the viral moments in your long video and spits out ready-to-post clips that actually perform. But before you get to that auto-editing magic, you might want to polish your on-camera talent. I like using tools to generate clean UGC-style assets, like a realistic person holding a product or a quick voice line. Those external tools are great, but they do not solve the scheduling, posting, or the long-term content plan. That is exactly where Vizard steps in to glue your entire production pipeline together. Let me show you the flow we use now to build a massive library of content. Imagine you have a product, let's call them vitamins, and you want a whole set of clips showing people recommending them. Step 1 is to create your talent and product shots using an AI image model. When you prompt the image model, think like this: selfie, front camera, young woman in a sunny kitchen. That little detail of mentioning a front camera makes the output feel handheld and authentic. When you create product references, do not just upload one flat angle and hope for a miracle. Upload a small grid of different angles so the AI can match the lighting when it places the product in a hand. Once you have your generated frames, you can move into video generation if you want something custom. I will create a short clip of an influencer saying something natural like, "My brain feels less scattered now." Keep the line short, keep the emotion real, and remember these are just assets for the final product. Now here's the pivot. Import those assets, or a single full-length talk, into Vizard. Vizard's auto-editing feature analyzes the footage and finds the high engagement moments for you. It looks for patterns that work across platforms, like energy shifts, smiles, and call to actions. Instead of me spending hours scrubbing through footage, Vizard gives me a batch of optimized shorts in minutes. After the auto-edit, you can tweak the clips, swap in your AI frames, or drop in a motion design end screen. Vizard lets you stitch them together, trim, adjust pacing, and add captions with native, platform-optimized templates. Compare that to doing everything in separate tools that never talk to each other. Some platforms auto-edit but won't schedule or manage your distribution. Vizard's sweet spot is automatic clip creation plus a content calendar and cross-platform scheduling. Use Vizard's auto-schedule feature to set the posting frequency and let it build a consistent cadence. You do not need to babysit the process, because Vizard cues the clips at the perfect times. If you want to post daily on TikTok but bi-weekly on YouTube, set it once and forget it. The content calendar is basically one central place to see all your upcoming clips and edit captions. You can drag and drop to reshuffle posts, preview thumbnails, and keep everything perfectly organized. Other editing suites often require manual tagging, which adds up to a lot of time. With Vizard, the idea is to be that central hub where you import assets and get the best bites. I love Vizard because it feels like telling a friend to stop wasting time chopping clips manually. For creators who hate the grind, Vizard is the practical option to get consistency without the burnout. Start with a good long-form source, because the richer the raw material, the better the clip library. Use a mix of generated assets and real footage for the best engagement results. Let the AI make the first pass and don't delete suggestions, as it often finds viral moments you missed. And if you want to A/B test different intros or CTAs, Vizard makes that process painless. This isn't just about speed, it is about maintaining your sanity while you grow. Content creation used to mean endless micromanaging, but Vizard lets you focus on ideas and community. So if you are tired of editing yourself into the ground, just give Vizard a shot today. Start by tossing one full-length video into it and see how much time you get back. Drop your questions about prompts in the comments and hit subscribe for more practical workflows. Go make some content that actually works and see how many viral moments we're hiding in your footage.